Let's take a look at alternative number 1, the overdenture.
An overdenture is also called an implant retained denture. It's made from the same acrylic material as a standard denture, but it snaps in and out onto the implant's posts that are placed into the bone. Overdentures can allow more biting force than the traditional denture, and the placement of the implants into bone prevent further bone loss, where the implants are placed, unlike your standard denture. Overdentures may still cover the palate, and this can affect your speech as well as your taste. And the snapping in and out of the overdenture over time will cause wear on the abutments and the components, which may need to be replaced every so often, and this can add on to your initial cost.
Now onto alternative number 2, All-on-4.
With an All-on-4 dental implant, it's a single prosthetic, single bridge, that rests and is connected onto 4 implants. Because it's a single bridge, all the implants are now splinted onto one prosthetic. For example, if you're chewing on one side of your mouth, you're using the strength and stability of all 4 implants. All-on-4 dental prosthetics can be made from acrylic, ceramic, or zirconia. The goal of these prosthetic teeth is to be your permanent teeth and allow you to eat food and speak clearly again. They're also a fixed solution that you won't be taken in and out of the mouth like overdentures. Because it's a single bridge, we can take off the prosthetic to evaluate both the tissue health of the implants as well as the tissue health of the prosthetic underneath. And this can be removed once a year by a dental professional to have it professionally cleaned. Most dental implant setters provide the traditional all-on-4 or teeth in a day method, which typically provides you with acrylic dentures the day of surgery and not permanent teeth that you may have hoped for. This can require up to 5 to 10 additional appointments due to try-in phases, which can also take up to 10 months.
Alternative number 3, permanent teeth in 24 hours.
What if you could receive your set of permanent teeth within 24 hours after surgery? Here at Nuvia Dental Implant Center, it is our plan and goal to give every patient their permanent zirconia teeth within 24 hours after surgery. That's right, 24 hours. In order to get this done, we use highly accurate digital mapping technology to scan your mouth after all the implants are placed, and our in-house lab will mill your permanent set of custom teeth overnight so that it's ready to be placed just 24 hours after the dental implant surgery. This means no temps, no liquid diet, and no wait of up to 10 months here at Nuvia Dental Implant Center.
2, 3. Yes!
This is amazing.
Congratulations. Wow, Mom, you look beautiful.
Oh my.
They said you get them in 24 hours, and I did, 24 hours. What I love most about my teeth is everything. Mostly they're permanent. I smile now. I wouldn't even smile before. I like showing my teeth.
My experience with Nuvia has been awesome. They will work with you until you have it exactly the way you want it, until you're comfortable. And I only had dentures for like 3 months and I couldn't handle it. I knew this is not the way I wanted to go.
It's better to be able to look in the mirror and you look younger. Without the denture part going across my palate and closing it off, food tastes better. It feels better, it tastes better. And I can't explain any more than that. It just is more enjoyable to eat again. It's been a really nice experience. It's not like you come in and they go, well, we're gonna have to do this, and now you sit there and just be quiet and we'll get around to you. It's been an ongoing experience between us and getting to know each other a little bit, and so it's been a lot of fun. And like I said, anybody who is considering this rather than dentures, I would absolutely recommend this.
And to keep watching more videos like this one, click on the video down here and keep on watching. Find out if you're eligible for permanent zirconia teeth in 24 hours by taking the 60-second quiz right here.
That's a lot of damn teeth.